Let's learn these letters. A. Orange. A for apple. B. Blue. B for ball. C. Orange. C for car. D. Yellow. D for dog. E. Purple. E for elephant. F. Purple. F for fox. Yellow. F for fox. G. Orange. G for goat. H. Pink. H for hat. I. Brown. I for igloo. J. Brown. J for joker. K. Pink. K for kangaroo. L. Black. L for lion. M. Orange. N for mouse. N. Pink. N for nest. O. White. O for owl. P. Blue. P for pig. Q. Brown. Q for queen. R. White. R for rabbit. S. Yellow. S for sun. T. Orange. T for train. U. White. U for umbrella. V. Blue. V for violin. W. Brown. W for whale. X. Yellow. X for xylophone. Y. Purple. Y for yak. Z. Blue. Z for zebra.